Google Ads for local service businesses, lead generation strategy for 2026. If you are running the Google Ads for a local service business right now and your leads are slowed down, this is not a budget problem, it is a strategy problem, because the way Google AdWords works for local businesses in 2026 is completely different from what we worked in 2022 or even 2024. The old playbook is completely dead. So in this video, I am going to show you the exactly what is working right now, and with the real case studies and the real numbers from our own client accounts. Hi everyone, my name is Amy and I am from Softtrix, a full-service digital marketing agency with 17 years of experience in the Google AdWords, Meta Ads, SEO and the web development, serving clients across the globe. Today, I am walking you through the exact Google AdWords lead generation strategy we are using in 2026 for local businesses, and I am backing everything up with the real client results. If you run a plumbing company, an HVAC business, a cleaning service, a law firm, a dental clinic, or trades business, or any kind of local service, then this video is built for you. So let's get into it. Why most local service ads fails? Before the strategy, let's talk about why the most local service ads accounts are wasting money right now. The number one mistake we see, and we audit dozens of accounts every month, is that business owners are running one single broad campaign targeting the entire city. No ad group split by service, no distinction between someone searching from emergency plumber at midnight versus someone casually browsing for a quote. Some ad budget, same bid for completely different buyers. The second mistake is no proper tracking from the website and the call. Most local businesses get leads by phone. If you are just not tracking which clicks turned into a phone call, then you have no idea what is working. Google's algorithm has nothing to learn from, and your bids are completely blind. The third mistake is ignoring the Google's local format. In 2026, the Google's local service ads and the local pack are taking up much more screen space than ever. If you are only running the standard search ads and ignoring these placements, you are invisible to a huge chunk of your local audience. These three mistakes alone can destroy the ROAS of your local service account, no matter how big the budget is. The 2026 local service ads strategy. The framework we use for the local service clients: 5 steps. Step 1 is split campaigns by the service. Every service gets its own campaign, budget and the ad copy, lumping everything together in the fastest way to lose control of your spend. Step 2, hyper-local keywords. Broad city targeting is over. We target specific suburbs and postcodes. A tighter geography means higher intent and lower cost per lead. Step 3 is the call tracking and the conversions. Every call gets tracked back to the exact keyword that drove it. GA4 and the form tracking connected too. The algorithm knows what leads look like and finds more of them. Step 4, local service ads alongside the search. You only pay when a real lead contacts you. Running both together means you own more of the search results pages, more visibility, lower blended cost per lead. Step 5, bid by time and device. We push the budget during the peak hours and pull back when the customers are not searching. Spend smarter, not just more. Part 3 is the case study 1, home service business. So let me show you what this looks like in practice. We took on a home services client, trades-based, operating across a major metro area. They were spending around $3,000 a month on Google AdWords and one campaign, broad keywords, just no phone call tracking, getting a handful of leads a month with no idea of the cost per lead. And here is what we did. We actually actually split the account in 5 separate service campaigns, rebuilt the keyword list around the high intent local terms, set up a full call tracking and the GA4 conversion events, launched local service ads alongside the search campaigns, and introduced bid adjustments for their peak hours, early morning and the late evening. Within 60 days, the account was producing more than 3 times the leads on the same budget. The cost per lead dropped from over $90 down to only $23.43. Same business, same service, same city, just a properly built account. What changes in 2026 that you must know? 3 things have changed in the Google AdWords in 2026 that every local business needs to understand. 1. Smart bidding needs real data first. Target CP and the ROAS bidding are powerful but useless without enough conversion. So under 30 conversions a month, smart bidding will actually hurt you. Build up the volume first, then hand control to the automation. Second, search terms are more hidden than ever. Google's now hides a large chunk of the searches, triggering your ads. Your negative keyword list is your defense. Review it every week or you are paying for traffic that will never convert. 3. Your landing page affects your ad cost. Google for now scores the full journey ad to a page. A slow page or a generic home page raises your cost per click. A dedicated page for each service is no longer optional, it is essential. So to wrap it all up, if you want us to look at your Google AdWords account and tell us exactly what is costing you the lead, drop us a message on WhatsApp right now. The number is in the description. We will go through your account live and then show you exactly where your budget is going. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with someone running the local service and subscribe so you never miss what we put out next.